This is Pixel 8a, the most affordable smartphone in Google Pixel's 8 series. This phone is priced at £499 in UK, and in India it is around 52,999 rupees for 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage version. Now you also get 256 storage version for rupees 599 pounds and 59,999 in rupees. Well, to know more about, let's do a quick unboxing. In the box, you get Pixel 8a in obsidian color. Next, USB-C to USB-C cable 2.0, quick switch adapter, a quick start guide, and a SIM ejector tool. Let's keep these things aside. Now let's look at the phone. Wow, nice. It looks premium and also feels very comfortable in your hands. The phone has rounded edges, a matte plastic back and a polished frame. It still looks and feels premium in your hands. The phone has 6.1-inch FHD plus OLED with refresh rate of 120Hz. The screen is bright and the viewing angles are good and has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Let's do a drop test. On the count of 3, I'm going to drop the phone. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Just kidding guys, I don't want to try this on my phone as this is not sponsored. I bought this phone of my own money. This glass can protect from deep scratches and is highly damage resistant. This phone has larger bezels running around. It runs Android 14 and the phone will be one of the first to get the Android 15 update. The company has promised 7 years of Pixel feature drop and security updates, same as the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Now 8A Pixel being the most affordable phone, it still comes with Tensor G3 latest processor, which company claims is the most powerful and efficient chip. The phone is made of metal frame and you can see antenna bands like iPhone previous models. If you look at the right side of the phone, you get a power button and volume rocker button. The phone comes with single SIM slot but has eSIM support for the second SIM. At the bottom you get USB-C port, 2 speaker grills and a microphone. The phone also has IP67 rating for water resistant. It comes in yellow, beige and porcelain color option. Now talking about the camera, the Pixel 8a boasts the best smartphone camera and captures amazing photos and videos. In the front you get center punch hole display, retains 13MP camera which can record 4K video recording. The phone has a metal camera bar that has 64MP rear camera with f1.89 aperture and OIS. There is a secondary 13MP 120-degree ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture. It has up to 4K of video recording for the rear camera. Check out some of the camera samples that I have posted. You get all the features such as magic eraser, night sight, photo unblur, best take, audio magic eraser and circle to search. Now with best take, the phone captures a multiple shots and suggests you the best one for you. In audio magic eraser, which magically removes the distracting sound from your audio recording. Circle to search instantly find relevant information. Draw a circle around an image, text or a video and let the Google AI work its magic. It also comes with a Gemini AI app which is similar to Copilot, which can help you boost up your productivity. You also get a magic eraser in Pixel 8a where you can erase unwanted objects or people from the background. The Pixel 8a has stereo speaker system, the earpiece doubling as a speaker. The audio quality is very good and balanced. The phone packs a 4492 mAh battery which supports fast charging as well as wireless charging. The Pixel 8a supports up to 18 watts of PD USB-C fast charging and up to 7.5 wireless charging. This is the best smartphone you can buy without breaking your pockets for a good price, infused with AI and all the other features and the best camera in the market. So guys, let me know in the comment box what do you think about this phone. Till then, bye, take care.